Namaste. My name is Anuradha. I'm your English teacher. Prevention is better than cure. Due to this COVID, we all have to prevent ourselves and stay safe at home. So, from today, we are going to start online classes for you all. Children, can you guess who is she? Yes, if you have guessed Mother Teresa, then you are absolutely right. She is none other than Mother Teresa, a social reformer. Can you identify who is he? Yes, he is none other than Subhash Chandra Bose, a freedom fighter. Now name this famous personality in the picture. Yes, you are absolutely correct. He is Basavanna, a social reformer. Identify who is in the picture. Yes, he is none other than Swami Vivekananda, a social reformer. Children, today let's learn more in details about his childhood and education. So let's start with our first lesson in English, Swami Vivekananda. Now let's begin our lesson. India is a land of many religions and cultures. Yes, India is a land of many religions like Hindus, Christians, Jains, Muslims, etc. And each religion have its own culture and values to follow. Every religion love their motherland. People here take both pleasure and pain equally. Pleasure means feeling good or feeling proud. Pain is opposite of pleasure, means feeling bad. We the people of India are dedicated to our work. We dedicate our life to our country. We are ready to sacrifice our life for the betterment of our country. In this land, many well-known religious leaders has been born. One such religious leader is Swami Vivekananda. Now I am going to tell you one small incident of Swami Vivekananda which had taken place in his childhood days. One day, a small boy jumped out of the coach means chariot, and ran towards his mother and expressed his desire to become a coachman. He was feeling very happy and excited by seeing a coachman who was driving his coach. He felt how nice it is to drive a coach. When mother heard this, she was shocked and could not say anything at that time. The reaction of his mother was natural because if you say to your mother that you want to be a coachman, she too will react in the same way. Here, Vivekananda mother handled the situation very politely. She showed the picture of Gita Upadesha, the picture of Krishna's speech to Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita, the holy book of Hindus. In that picture, Krishna was a coachman of Arjun in battlefield. Swami Vivekananda's mother patted him. Patted means touched softly, saying, "Dear Naren." Narendra is a childhood name of Swami Vivekananda. If you want to, you can be a coachman, but you should be a coachman like Krishna who taught Arjuna. Krishna taught Arjuna to move in a right path. Naren was too small to understand all this, but destiny made him what his mother wanted him to be. The little boy Naren later came to be known as Swami Vivekananda, a great spiritual leader and India's pride. Here, the meaning of spiritual is to be a good human being. Now let's see where he was born and when he was born. Narendra was born on 12th January 1863 to Vishwanath Datta and Bhuneshwari Devi in Kolkata. The old name of Kolkata is Calcutta. The name of the father was Vishwanath Datta and the name of the mother was Bhuneshwari Devi. They considered means the parents considered the child as the boon of God Vireshwara Shiva and they named him Vireshwara. Means the parents thought that he was a gift of Vireshwara Shiva, so they named him as Vireshwara. Later, they changed his name from Vireshwara to Narendranath Datta. At the age of 6, Naren was sent to primary school. That means at the age of 6 he started to go to school and later to a private tutor. Private tutor means teacher or a guide at home. He studied Sanskrit grammar, long passages from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. He had a strong desire means wish, to study more and he wanted to see God. He thought that if he study more and more, he can see God. He met many people, but he was not able to get a satisfactory answer that where he can see God.